Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Jessica's Reborns. Today we are gonna do a day in the life with Cassie. So Cassie is just right here. She is chilling in the stroller, waiting for me to get my shoes on and go for a walk. So this is a day in the life. So it could be bloopers, it could be anything. So yeah, we'll see you when we're walking. Bye. Hi guys, we are on our walk. I don't know where we'll end up today, but we are on our walk down the path. So if you guys like this video, please hit like, please subscribe, and join the family, guys. So yeah, Cassie is on a walk today. I filmed a get ready with me, but I haven't posted it yet. Oh, that's another video. So yeah, I think we'll end up at the, yeah, so if you guys like this video, please hit like, please subscribe, and join the family. I will see you in the next clip, guys. Bye. Hi guys, we are still walking. We're still walking in this path. I think I'm gonna go the same one. I don't know. Actually, I might go to another park, or another trail, I should say. So yeah, come along for the ride, guys. Alright guys, see you when I get there. Bye. Hi guys, we are coming up to the park. We are just walking on this path. So yeah, I will update you when I get there. Hi guys, we are here. We're just going on this bridge. Water. There is Cassie. Fresh water. The last part of the video, and then ending it. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. This is really pretty. Sturgeon, not a real one. There's a Canadian goose. Sturgeon. Sturgeon. This. Yes. Water's right here. Grass. Cassie. Water. So yeah, I thought I'd come and do a video with you guys. I lost a subscriber. I had 356. Now I have 355. I don't know why. But unsubscribe. I guess my videos aren't that good. But I think they are. But yeah, it's gonna be a longer half of the video. There's a park, I'll show you guys up here. So yeah, this is a park that I go to sometimes. Well, I can't show the park, so it's hidden, unfortunately. But there's water. Honey. There's the park. Yeah, so this park is really beautiful in the fall, summer, not the winter. So yeah, there's Cassie. I'll show you what she's dressed in. She's dressed in this little outfit. There's the water again. Water's so pretty. Some birds. A tree that's slanted that needs to just fall. The lonely tree. The lonely tree. So yeah, there's stairs, which, yeah. I won't go all the way over there, but we're just gonna end at this little thing and then go back. Good morning. There's some stairs. There's a little thing that used to have picnic tables on it. A bunch of picnic tables. But yeah. I don't know why they don't. There's 2 picnic tables in there. So yeah, guys. This is the video. And there's a bunch of like seating. This thing, like, people can have parties and stuff here. And I'll show you a pond up here. I think there's a beach here. I think. Castle Beach makes sense. Yeah, there's this dirty water. I don't know what's from there. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I think this is a good spot to end it. Hope you guys have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Bye!